Hi everyone, so this is Kathy back to show you how to draw a panda, and this one was requested by Sarah and Dara in Galway. Hi guys! Delighted you're all following along with this. So this is my one, and then Millie did this one, super cute, and looked at this one. But they are a bit tricky, so just take your time with them and we'll do fine. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to put this guy up here. I'm going to pass the camera over to Millie. Millie, say hello. 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 So I wonder, will I start with it? No, I'm going to start with a marker, but you start with a pencil so that you're able to rub out if you make mistakes, as always. And this works well in any medium, but we're going to use markers. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get the shape of your panda's head. So we're going to go with kind of a shape like that. And then you want to get his body in as well. So you're just going to draw almost like a little snowman shape. Like that, okay? Pretty easy? I think so. And then the next thing you're going to do is do his eyes. So his left eye is almost like an egg. And then to make it cute, we're going to do one big circle, which we're going to colour brown. And inside of that, we're going to do a little half moon. And this little bit here, we're going to leave white, the little highlight. And then we're going to do his right eye, which is a little bit more like a circle. And you're going to do the same again. One big circle and one little circle with a highlight in it. Okay, so we're starting to get there now. Now, you want to make him look really cute. So to make him look a little bit cheeky, we're going to give him an upturned nose. So if you do like a little curved line like this and then bring it down into a point on either side and then a straight line down and a curl on either side. And if you want to make him look a little bit more cheeky, you can give him an open mouth. Like that. So now we're going to do his ears or her ears, depending on what you want to do. So if you draw kind of like a circle like this, and then what you can do, because you are going to be filling this in with marker, you can make them a little bit hairy. But I'm going to show you how to do that when I start to colour it in. Okay. And then on the other side, you're going to go up just over your left eye and do a similar little ear on that side. And again, you can make that nice and hairy too. Sorry, Millie, am I in the way? I know he doesn't look great now, but when you colour him in, he will. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is his arms. So his left arm is going to come right out of his back here, and we're going to bring it into the middle under his mouth, back over like this, like a kind of like a bean shape. I'm going to make my arm a little bit bigger. And then his right arm is going to join the left arm, but come out and over. Like if you were doing a 3D comma almost, I suppose you could call that, yeah? Then we're going to do his legs. So he's got really cute little legs. So you're just going to bring a line down underneath the side of his belly and go straight out, curve it on the top, and then we're going to give him some feet. So there's 1 foot. And then we're going to do 3 little panda claws. And then his right leg comes out over here and back in. And it's also got 3 little panda claws, like that. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of colouring on him so you can see him come alive a bit. So he starts to make sense. So if we make him look a little bit hairier in places.
You can draw it out with a pencil to make
Yeah, if you want to draw it out with a pencil first, it makes more sense. Give him a little black nose. And if Millie shows you the one that I did earlier, you can see I even did the kind of furry bits all around his head as well, so that he looks super cute. Okay, and I'm going to just do a little bit with his arms. And the same with his legs. So in the panda, just his legs and arms are black, and then his beautiful big belly
You can get a reference photo.
is white. Yeah. Now, mine's going to be really messy because I want to get them done quickly. And then you can give him like a hairy chest and make his arms a little bit hairier. The other thing we did with our panda was we gave him a bamboo stick. So to draw a bamboo stick, you draw a rectangle.
And then a small.
And then a skinnier rectangle. And then a skinnier rectangle.
Kind of
and
like
you
a
can
palm
go,
tree.
Yeah, and you can go as long as you want and then just give them little leaves at the top like this. And what we also did was we did a whole forest or bunch of bamboo behind him. So if you want to do tall bamboos, if you do a straight line and then bring it in and out the whole way down like that. Can you see that?
As you can see.
Yeah, bring it back now to me for a second. And then if you just curve inwards on each of those lines, and then at the top, you're going to do lots of big leaves. And you can do loads of those as well. So you can do as many as you want. Like that. Okay, and then it's down to the colouring. So I'm going to see what you can do inside your panda's eyes just to make him come alive a little bit. Is give him like little orange or brown or green eyes.
Yellow.
And then yellow. And then make sure you do a better job of colouring than I did on these arms because they're not very good. What I'm going to do is actually get my one that I finished and just talk through it. So you're going to do your bamboo right up the back and then some grass all around him. If you wanted, you could draw a little flower crown on your panda or give him a bow tie or some glasses, whatever you want. So that's how you draw your panda. Actually, Millie did a lovely job of her bamboo as well, so have a look at that. That's lovely, and she did all her grass around it. And you could do some clouds in the sky, whatever you want.
Luke did clouds in
Luke did clouds in the sky as well. So enjoy, Sarah and Dara. Hope you like that. And everyone else, if you've got any other requests, just shout out underneath our YouTube channel or on Facebook. Enjoy. Bye-bye.